So yeah. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about following topics. The main agenda of this session also, these are these things. What is Python? Why we want to learn Python? And what are the different features of Python? And Python usage in the industry, and learning path, and then career opportunities. Okay, then I'm going to the next slide. So what is Python? So generally, Python is one general purpose language and high level with interpreted and easy language. You got it? Anyone can respond?
Yes, sir.
Just I read about slide, okay? I did not explain anything. So the Python is general purpose language. So for example, you want to communicate with the computer, there will, so for example, we are communicating. So our medium is English. You understand English, I understand English, and I'm talking in English so that you are understanding. But in case of computers, it will understand only binary language. But there will be some medium to do the to tell the job to do for Python, say a computer. So that is the medium is one of the medium is Python language. So Python is written in high level language, and whenever it is going to compile, it is converted into binary language, and then it will tell to the computer do these things. For example, you want to do addition of two numbers, it is telling to the computer do addition of these two numbers. So something like that. So this is high level language and interpreted language. I'll come to that interpreted later. And easy language. Actually, anyone of know any other languages? C, C++, Java, something like that? Guys, can anyone respond? If anyone knows C, C++, Java?
Yes, sir. Little bit of no, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to add two numbers, if you want to add 2 plus 3, how many lines you have to return? Do you remember addition of two numbers? Just addition of two numbers. And you need to print. It's okay, fine. So so generally it will take, we have to import libraries, and then we have to write main function and open bracket, close bracket, and then we have to take two numbers, and then we have to do print 2 plus 3, something like that. That will also not work. We have to take variables, and then we have to print. Otherwise, directly we have to convert into %d after the operation. So all these steps, it is going to take 6 to 7 lines. When it comes to Python, it is going to take just only one line, print 2 plus 3. Maybe if a few of them know little bit about Python, they already they understood. Just one line print of a 3 plus 2. That's it. So that much easy language. And so this Python is created by Guido van Rossum. We have to remember this guy name because of him only we are learning today, and because of him only there are lots of opportunities in the market. Okay, any doubts? I'll move to if you don't have any doubts, then I'll move to the second slide. Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, cool. So why Python is so popular? Sorry. Why Python is so popular? So guys, in the morning session, around some 100 people attended, and now almost 50 people are attending. So because Python is so popular, right? So that's why you guys wants to learn. So but why this Python is so popular? Anyone can talk, anyone can tell why it is so popular?
It is easy to understand.
Good, very good. And what else?
Easy to code also.
Yeah, that is comes under easy. And then
It is robust.
Easy to debug, sir.
okay, awesome. You are very good debugger in that case. Yeah, and then okay, fine. I'll come to so next. So I'll tell you why it is so popular. It is already few people said that it is easy. Yeah, this is really very easy language to learn by beginners. So someone told that he want to change domain from non-tech to technical. So for this guy, he want to learn Python is super easy language compared to all other languages. So he can easily understand. So there will be a few more stuff, maybe how to define variables, what are the control structures. Then it is more than enough if he is having good logical thinking to learn frameworks or to code web applications, to code in mobile applications, to write REST APIs. So it is that much easy. So I'll give one example. So in one of my previous organization, so what is actually we are making one device. That device is capturing images and it is uploading to the cloud. So that is the very simple. So previously in that whole process, it is written in Java. So for network layer is responsible to send the image, take the acknowledgement. For that network layer, it is written in almost 10 files, nearly 10 files they written. They are creating protocols and then they are sending the data and then receiving, acknowledging and updating the DB. Whole process has been written in more than 10 files, and it is really difficult to understand where call is going, what how it is coming, and all these stuff are really difficult for me. And but when we ported to Python language, so guess in how many files we have been written? Guess how many files? Can anyone? Guys, can anyone tell? Java code 10 files are there. We ported to Python. How many lines? Yes, exactly. Only one file and with less than 500 lines. And it is easy to understand. It is if you will write in good readable format, then it is really easy for understanding. Okay. You guys having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. And then free. Python is open source actually. So you can use Python as a personal use as well as proprietary level also you can use. Unlike, so Musk is telling that if you want to use Twitter, we have to pay $8. Not such stupid things in Python. But still that is the application, but here we are making that application and we are using freely. Guys, are you there? It is open source, anyone can use. In the company or you can for personal use, you can use. And applications. So by using Python, we can develop mobile applications and we can develop web applications and we can develop desktop applications. So you guys know Uber, right? Uber.
Yes.
Uber also, many of the modules have been written in Python. And that is the web mobile application only, right? So like that many. So do you know Cello? Someone worked in Cello. In Cello also, few of them are using Python as a language. And maybe Cello, if he knows Cello, then Shuttle also, he is aware of that. Shuttle also completely Python. Yes, one of my previous organization is Shuttle, and we completely moved Java to rewritten into Python. So that is completely written in Python, such an easy language. And it is scalability wise also, it is really happy actually. When we are working, when we are in Shuttle, when the code is written in Java, when someone every day we used to handle 1,50,000 calls every day in 1 hour in the morning session. Before writing into Python, we used to face many problems. But when we ported into this one Python, the scalability also it is increased, and there was not many bottlenecks. And apart from that, we can use Python for desktop applications also. And one more thing is support. Actually, Python having excellent community support. If you post, if it is the new problem, if you post in the community, within a couple of days, you'll get solution. That much support is there for Python. And also it is having huge number of libraries are available. So with that, because of that only, all the data science, AI related stuffs are developing in Python only. You can see many of them are using Python only. For big data, they can use Java also for decoding some data stuff, but they are using Python because it is really easy. And there will be huge libraries. Okay, guys, I'm done with this particular slide. If you guys any doubt, I'll explain. If you are having any doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll go to next slide. Features of Python. So features, coming to the features, it is simple. Already I explained, if you want to add two numbers, so much hangama in other languages. But when it comes to Python, it is just single line, maybe a couple of lines, that's it. And as I told you, this is open source, so that you can use freely. And third one is portable. So anyone coded in C? In the people, anyone coded in C language? Guys, can anyone respond? If yes or no? Okay, fine. If I'll tell you. So for example, you are using Windows laptop and you return some code in Windows laptop. Same code will be executed in MacBook, Apple laptop? No, because there will be portable issue. Here libraries are different and here libraries are different. But by using Python, you can code anywhere, you can run in any machine. So this Python language is portable language. Portable language, that is one more feature. And coming to the next feature, it is having huge libraries. You can play around all the libraries, pandas, numpy, scipy, scrappy, and TensorFlow, whatever. There are lots of libraries are available. With those libraries, we can play around the data. We can play around the whatever DS and algo questions, whatever we want to do. Okay, you guys understood? I'll go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is interpreted language. So initially I said that interpreted language. You know, what does it mean? Interpreted language, compile time language and the interpreted language. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Interpreted in the sense the code will be executed line by line.
Yes, exactly.
Compiler in the sense all the coding lines will be executed at the same time.
Okay, so when you face some problem, where to debug easily, in Python or in interpreted language or compiled language?
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, so when you find some issue in your code,
okay,
where you can easily find out this is
compile
the
time.
interpreted because
interpreted language is very slow.
No.
So, interpreted means it will be stop
Exactly.
execution where the line
Yes, exactly.
code
In
will
compile
be.
time, it will continue and it will tell all the errors at a single time. So that is little bit difficult. So interpreted here only it will tell, because this is one feature as well as one more drawback as well. So interpreted, it is little slow compared to the compiled languages. C compared to C, Python is little bit slow, but don't feel like it will take some 1 minute and that will take 1 second. It is almost similar, but little ahead of C is a little ahead of Python when it comes to the threads and processes and everything. And also Python will support OOPS concepts, that is class, object, and inheritance and whatnot. All the features will support by Python language. I'll explain you over the next classes about OOPS concepts. Yeah, this is features of Python. I'll go to the next slide if you don't have any doubt. So learning path. So in our all the training classes, how I'm going to proceed, I'll show in this particular path. So today we are discussing about Python basics, and in the coming classes, I'm going to tell about variables, data types, operators, and then arrays, and then flow control. I mean, if, for, and while loops, and method, how you're going to write a method, and what is generator, what is iterator, what is decorator, what is yield keyword, and then file handling to means how to open the file, update the file, access the data from the file, and delete the data in the file, and then few of the OOPS concepts. And then I'll give few of the practice programming questions. Practice programming questions I'll give throughout the chapters. Maybe once I'm done with the first chapter, then I'll give few of the practice programming questions, and then arrays, something like that. I'll continue. Yeah, guys, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll go to the next slide. Yeah, so usage of Python in an industry. So guys, you are using Google, right? Guys,
Yes,
you are using, yeah. So if you want to search something in the Google, in the Chrome, if you type something and then you hit the call, it will go to the Google search engine, and then it will give the pages, right? That in that pages also, to get the data, Google is using Python. Google is using Python. And similarly, anyone knows Dropbox? Document sharing tool. Guys, anyone knows Dropbox?
No, sir. No, sir.
So it is similar to Google document only. So for example, if you share it one Google document to multiple people and multiple people contributing at the same time, so there will be no race conditions and everything, right? So all the process has been written in Python. And apart from that, do guys watch Netflix? Anyone of?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you see one kind of show, and immediately it will show the similar kind of shows, right?
Yes, sir.
For that, it is using ML. In that ML, Python is using. Not only these applications, in the real world, there are many places we are using Python. It could be in NASA, it could be in wherever, Google, Microsoft. There are multiple places Python is using. So really, this is really going crazily these days. You can see Python mostly got started widely using in 2003-4, something like that. And now see, it is in fourth place in the industry. Most used programming language among the developers worldwide. Okay. Do you guys having any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, coming to the career opportunities, I think this is a really interesting slide for you guys, right? So everyone wants to get the job. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, so if you want to go with web development and frameworks, then we can go. Once we are done with Python, then we have to learn Django or Flask or REST, Fast API or Pyramid. So there are multiple frameworks are there. In that we have to learn Django. And if you are interested about testing part, then you have to use Selenium with Python. If you are interested in gaming development, then you have to go with Pygame. If you are interested about big data analytics and all, then you have to learn in that area. And if you want to go with AI and data science, Python is the basic language, and then top of that you have to use few of the frameworks and frameworks. And then if you want to use if you want to work with smart devices such as Alexa or smart few of the switches and all, so there also we are using Python. And once we learn Python, and we have to learn few more libraries for that.
You teach this all, sir?
What?
You teach this all Selenium?
No, I don't teach. I'll come that part. So guys, do you have any doubts till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then so in the coming classes, I will finish my Python plus one framework. Framework also depends on you guys interested. I'll give options such as Django, Flask, and Fast API. Among these three, you can choose any one, so that I'll explain.
Okay.
Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, anyone is attended a previously interview here?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is attended?
Sir, this is Pavani. I attended the last 1 month at Madhapur, sir.
Okay. So what kind of questions they are asking?
They're asking, he asked me at JS, sir,
Okay.
how to enter the get element document, and he asked HTML, sir.
Okay. Proper.
Front-end developer.
Okay.
Table creating, how to create tables.
Okay.
That's it, sir. He asked me.
Any programming questions?
No, sir. Only asked me at JS and HTML.
And okay, what is the company?
It's a product-based company, sir.
Okay. So guys, actually, what is happening? So there will be actually why I came here and I'm teaching here. First thing, obviously for money. In the next sessions, maybe in the next courses, maybe I'll charge, but I'll tell you real problem. So what is the exact problem is, you guys, what you'll do, you'll learn Python and Django one framework.
Sir, another thing. Today I attended analytical technology, sir. Only Python developer.
Okay.
First written test is there, and a technical and HR.
Okay.
I am weak at Python. That's why very tough for me that written test.
Yeah, I'll come to that part. I'll come to that part. So what is happening? The difference actually, where is the difference means, you guys will learn Python plus Django, and then you guys will go for the interviews. But when it will ask these kind of questions, it is in third technical round or fourth technical round or managerial round, they will ask Python related framework related specific questions. But So the first priority is that for freshers, for sure, they'll ask aptitude questions. That is mandatory aptitude questions. And second one is that the data structures and algorithms, DS and algo. You can go through this particular lead code lead code interview experience. This is one of the top website to understand what kind of questions people are asking and how we are going to approach. And these kind of things are really you can understand by using this particular website. You can see here, if you go to any interview experience, they'll ask DSA questions. You can see first round 1 is binary search variation and linked list medium problem. But where we concentrated completely on Python and framework related questions. But when it comes to this one, first round will be DS and algo questions. In DS and algo question, maybe here he asked linked list and trees, but it might be string related questions. It might be stack, it might be queue, it might be binary tree, it might be red black trees, whatever it might be, and are related to sorting questions. The first round will be this one. So all you guys needs to concentrate on first, maybe for sure we have to learn Python, and then in the next level, we have to learn data structures and algorithms. For that, I'm going to teach after once we finished, I'm going to teach DS and algo plus interview preparation plus resume, how you're going to edit your resume so that the recruiters will see your resume and then they'll accept. So, I'm having experience 7 years. I took many interviews. In that case, in that particular situation, for example, Shivacharan shared his resume. I will see hardly 1 minute. In the 1 minute, I will see just what is his projects, what is his hobbies, and which languages he know. And then maybe a little bit about studies. Studies will filter in the HR itself. Above 60%, then only they'll forward resumes. In some cases, all of them they'll allow. But I will concentrate only he knows this language or not, and what kind of projects has been done. That's it, and where he worked previously. And then once he comes into the interview, first question itself, write some string related question. Or I'll ask linked list related questions. If in 1 hour, this is almost 30 to 40 minutes related to DS and algo, and remaining 20 questions, maybe I'll ask Python related questions, because so why you are using linked list, why not list, or why you are using dictionary, why not list, or why you can use tuple. These kind of basic questions I'll ask. Or else maybe if I want to ask Python related questions, I'll ask maybe generator, or what is yield keyword, what is decorator, these kind of questions. That's it. This is for freshers. This is freshers and up to 3 years experience. So guys, you understood, right? What is the difference exact, what we are learning in the market, but what they are asking. If it is really good company, they'll follow in this approach. Guys, you got it? Anyone can respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, once you
Yes,
cross
sir.
the 3 years, once you cross the 3 years, the interview pattern will be something like this. Round 1 will be DS and algo. DS and algo will not leave you until you are if you get 10 years also, you have to answer the DS and algo questions for sure. I'm having 7 years. If I want to change another company, I have to learn. I'll do coding in lead code or interview bit, some other platform I'll do, but I have to do that one. And first round is that one, and second round will be technical discussion, and third round will be system design. I mean, low level design and high level design. I mean, high level design means, for example, all you guys are using WhatsApp, right? How this WhatsApp is going to work, in which it is working with polling or the signaling mechanism or sockets, whatever it might be. So that is high level, how it is functioning, what kind of microservices you are using. You are using any message queues or different kind of technologies are there, what you are using. And then low level design, whenever you are using WhatsApp, what are the DB tables, what is the structure of the table, and what is the relationship between two tables. So in this way. So I'll tell you, with the experienced guy and with the 0 to 3 years guy, these kind of things are there. So here I'll come to the last point. So I'm going to teach Python plus one framework free of cost. But if you want a certificate and videos and all, they'll charge some nominal amount, maybe around 5,000, I guess. I don't know if you want certification and all. And once I'm done with this particular course, there are around 150 guys are there. In the 150 guys, I'll conduct one exam and I'll take 50 guys for DS and Algo training. That will take nearly 4 months, 3 months training. I will give 1 month, 1 month completely doubts clarification session. And in that 1 month only, so when you go to the interview, what are the things you have to tell? First, you have to give introduction about you, and then you have to give your educational background, and then your projects related stuff, and then your family, about your family, and then you have to conclude. This is the pattern. Usually I'll follow. Many of them will follow. I'll teach you what to tell and what not to tell, all this stuff. And then resume preparation. And then, for example, let's take Srinivas Louis completed his DS and Algo session. I'll ask him, if you are confident, I will take one mock interview. So I'll ask first round, I'll take first round, I'll take second round, and I'll take third round. If he is confident enough, I'll ask multiple questions so that he'll get some confidence. When he'll go to interview, he should not face any problem. In this way, I'm going to finish my course. So Python and one framework is for listening. This is completely free. If you want certificate and videos, then they'll charge some nominal amount. And DS and Algo, that will be, I think, price is not decided, but I'm having multiple batches. From the multiple batches, I will take only 50 guys. Yeah. Okay. You guys understood? So that we'll go to question and answer session.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So you can post your question in the chat so that I can read. So Sheikh Imran, sir, I am from non-IT background. Will be question from the interviewer. What exact reason why you want to move to IT? So exactly. So you are a non-IT background. Why you want to move here? So that real question, right? Exactly. If I'm interviewer, I'll ask, what is your answer from your side? Why you want to move?
Sir, actually, as I'm into a non-IT background, I just want to learn any programming language where I can get a good hike in salary.
Okay.
And
apart from that?
Apart from that, I want to see myself in a good position.
Yeah. So for example, let's assume you know Amazon, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know Amazon. For example, let's assume you were an employee of Amazon and you are displaying products on the page. That code you have been written. When in your family or in your friend, they used your code, means to buy the product, he has to click that product and then he'll add into the cart and he will buy. So he'll tell that, "Arey, I bought a product from Amazon." So what you bought? You tell something that so I bought some electronic devices, something here. So in your background, if you know you written that code, entire thing, you are helping him to buy this particular product. How much happiness you'll get it?
Yes, sir. Absolutely fine. Like I'll be most happy person.
Yeah, exactly. For example, you let's take Ola bikes they are making. So you written software to just display the speed. If your friend bought Ola bike and you are you'll tell that I myself only written that code. Or else I'll be part. Just write. You contribute just 10 lines of code, but you can. So I'm the part of team to display your speed. How happiness it will give.
Yes, yes, sir.
So that you just tell these all this stuff. So I'm really interested because many of them doing wonders. Means they can develop websites. I'll tell you what to tell. But apart from that, whatever you are getting honest answer, you can tell. That is
Yes,
not.
sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So guys, any questions you can write in the chat so that I can tell. No doubts. No doubts means maybe I did not explain properly. Or you don't, I explained super fine, or I did not explain properly.
Sir, in the project of Python, sir,
Mm.
for a beginner or a experienced person?
So what I'll do, I'll start from scratch.
Okay.
But you have to catch very fast.
Okay.
I'll start from scratch, but you have to catch very fast. You understood? What does it mean?
Let's see. In
I will tell.
framework
Let's take. We will go to Python data types.
yes,
I
sir.
will tell what are the different data types. Numeric is there, Boolean is there, set is there, dictionary is there, sequence type is there. And inside that, I will tell list. List is there, and there are a couple of operations, around some 12 operations are there, I guess. So in the 12 operation, I'll explain 3 to 4. Those are very frequently used. And I will ask you to learn remaining 8 methods. You have to do that one, so that our course will go fast, and you will get content as well.
Yes, okay, sir.
Yeah, Jashwant, question: how many days training will be there, sir? Yeah, so I'm planning to finish this Python plus Django in within 45 days. Class timings. So post this session, I will share one form in WhatsApp group, and then you have to select your preferred time slot. Among all of them, if whatever it is the majority, I will tell class in that timings only.
Morning sessions is there, sir?
Morning 7 to 8. Morning 7 to 8 is there, and evening 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. No, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You guys having any doubts? You got it right. What exact very good company is asking what we are preparing?
Any special classes, sir, after weekdays? Only 5 days is the class. After weekdays, Saturday, Sunday is any?
I'll give enough assignments to you guys.
Yes, okay, sir.
And guys, don't feel like this is a free class or college kind of course. Don't feel like that, because Python. So if you learn Python, it will give your it will give in return in term of job, in term of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Post completion of training, do we have placement assistance? Yeah, we are. So we will provide, but for that you have to pay nominal fee around. I think we are not confirmed, but around 5,000 for certificate and videos and course content, as well as training assistance also. Only for Python. For data structures and algo, it is going to charge a bit higher amount. But do you guys understood what is the importance of DS and algo, right? Okay. Shaikh Imran is really, he's typing. No one else. Yeah, I'll give one sample project. Guys, can we do one pray? Are you ready? Can you turn on your not video, audio? All of you. All of you, can you turn on?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of you.
Yes, sir.
All of you, please.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Noise not coming. Yes, sir.
Disturbance, sir.
Yeah. I please, someone who is making some noise, please turn off that guy voice. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. So repeat after me. Python is easy language, and it is so popular.
It is so
Popular.
I will learn Python
learn Python.
so that I will get good knowledge.
I will get
Good knowledge.
That knowledge,
more knowledge
very good job.
and for very good job.
Very good job.
That job will take care of my family. I will
I will.
Hello, Suraj bro, please turn off your mic. Suraj Pathak.
Okay, guys. So is there any questions?
no, sir.
No.
First to oath, right, sir? Yes, exactly. Sir, testing or full stack? How many months? 45 days. Realme RMX Jet 2170. 45 days. Within 45 days. Yogesh, this is basic
Sir,
backend.
how to tell resume preparation or in final class in Python final.
Yes. I'll tell.
Thank you, sir.
Yogesh, it is normal Python backend developer role. For a role, I'm teaching you guys. Any questions? I will stop around 6:56 so that you're having 4 minutes so that I can answer your questions. You can write in chat.
Can we get video session after this class?
Yeah.
Tomorrow class is there not, sir?
No.
We have to class or not?
It will take some time. My team will let you know, guys. In the WhatsApp group is there. They will post. We will post when it will start. Once it is started, it will be continuous. No, Saturdays, no Sundays. There will be no class on Saturday and Sunday. Remaining all 5 days will be classes are there.
Okay.
Show me once interview sheet, sir. Which interview? Which I shown you previously. That one?
Yes, sir.
I'll share my screen. So you can see in the Walmart Global Tech, they asked binary search variation and linked list medium problem. They asked about project and then difference between array and linked list and runnable. And these are normal questions. These are normal questions. Solid principles. These are theory questions. And deep discussion about project, biggest challenge you face till now, strengths and why you want to leave. These are normal questions. This you can ask, you can answer, right? Why you want to leave, what are your strengths, biggest challenge you faced, these kind of things.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can get videos, but I think it will cost around 5,000. I guess you will get videos and the placement assistance and then resume preparation. I hope that is not much charge compared to all other institutes. If you want to listen classes, happily you can listen, really, because we have to pay that storage and everything, right? For that we are charging that much amount, 5,000, and certification also. If we do this, we can get job easily. Muhammad Shabazz, exactly no. If we do this, what you'll do, you just listen Python class and then you'll go to job? No, strictly no. You have to do, you have to do practice. If I'll give set of questions, maybe a lead code is the one good resource. If you do some 300 to 500 questions, you can crack any company in the world. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, whatever, Meta, whatever, you can crack. Practice. And make your dreams clear and possible. Yeah. Okay, inshallah. Guys, I'll wait till 7 o'clock. If you're having any doubts, feel free to ask. I'll answer any stupid question related to this course or related to career. Whatever doubt you're having, please ask.
Sir, can you please guide us to download how to install Python and how to install IDE for that?
So guys, I'll share a few videos, YouTube videos for Windows and MacBook and Ubuntu. For all 3 operating systems, I'll share 3 videos. You have to follow because you grown up, right? You have to follow. So I studied in Surathkal, right? NIT Surathkal. This is one of the India's top NIT college. So there will be lecturers. But they don't teach. Really, they don't teach. They will guide us. Just you have to do this assignment. That's it. They won't teach anything. Just they'll tell us. They'll give one computer lab and one computer for everyone, and they'll ask us to do whatever you want. But you have to finish my task. They don't teach anything, and you're grown up. You have to do your own. There will be tons of videos in YouTube to install Python, and I'll share that one because if I'll tell all of those, so this course is going to take around 60 days, all of them. Small things. Okay, no offense. Okay, business analysis role. So once we finish this Python, so for example, whatever jobs, business analyst or backend developer or data scientist or software development test engineer, whatever you can, that is the base. Python is, for example, if you want to pronounce words, in that case, you have to know alphabets, right? ABCDs. ABCD is nothing but Python language. And words is nothing but all the different roles. It could be business analyst, it could be backend developer, it could be full stack developer, it could be data scientist, it could be AI engineer. Do we need laptop? For sure, you should have laptop for that. Mobile is not enough. For sure, it is not enough, because you have to code with two hands, right? So, for example, someone is allowed, someone is asked you to write exam on fly. You can't write in phone, right? Or else, if they'll allow, you need practice. We will not do 1 or 2 problems. We will do tons of, means in at least 70 to 80 problems I'll give. Any questions? You can ask any question. Stupid question also, it's fine. I'll answer. If we can learn Python, this real-time experience to join in the IT company. So, Kishore, maybe I don't think so. You'll get real-time experience, but maybe for that you can, Kishore, you can text to Pulender with the same question, so that he will answer that question. Kishore. Thanks, Sheikh. Thanks, Sheikh Imran. Data science is different. For data science, you need to learn few libraries.
We will have class at same time, sir.
I will share one form. Please, guys, please fill that form, so that I'll decide what timing. There will be available slots are 7 to 8 in the morning, in the evening 8 to 9, 9 to 10. 3 slots are there. Sesta Sultana, Jupyter Notebook is, if you are fine with that, Jupyter Notebook, that is fine. If you use PyCharm or multiple things, that is really good. Jupyter Notebook, it is in online, right?
So tomorrow onwards, you have to start the class, sir, Python?
No. I think we will start from next week. Next week, I'm having some small work to finish. I need to go to Bangalore, and then I have to come back to Hyderabad. So it will take some time for me. It is offline. Sultana, you want to come to offline class?
Where, sir? Place?
No, you want to come?
Yes, sir. But I am in Hyderabad.
No. Offline, no. Only online. Online.
Okay. Okay. Nothing.
Next year, but next week. But I have tense about Python. We have to know Python perfect. Very easy to attend interview. So 9168. I don't know who is the guy. That is all in your hands. I will teach you. You have to learn your own. I'll give just 20%, but remaining 80% in your hands only. This 60 days, 45 days is free. Bhavesh, 45 days is free. For listening, 45 days is free. Sultana, it's fine. Whatever you want to use, you can use. But you have to do programs. Yeah, I'll give. Related to topic, I'll give. What's your salary? Bhavesh, you want to know my salary? Send this message to Pulender. He will answer. Happy journey, sir. Thank you. Please come back. I will come back. Does cloud computing require? Yeah, yes. Cloud computing is require coding knowledge, because in the cloud, Python script they are using to deploy the instances, or if you want to do CI/CD pipeline, for that Python is required. Python and coding as well. These days many people are using Go, but still Python they are using. There will be lot. Cloud computing means you are deploying your servers in the cloud. Data science is nothing but in general. So if you are having lots of data, from that data you are going to take out all the insights. For example, in the Twitter data, today's Twitter data, if you will take, so many people are talking about Pawan Kalyan. Why they are talking about Pawan Kalyan? So something like that. Twitter is deploying on the cloud, something like that. Okay, Sheikh, I'll come and I'll teach you. Yes, OOPS concepts also. I'll tell you how to define a class, constructor, object, inheritance, something like that. Data analysis tool is first learn Python, and then we'll see how your interest. You can go any path, data analyst or data scientist or AI engineer or tester or developer or full stack developer, whatever. All of them will become easy when you learn Python Python strong. If you are having foundation in Python strongly, then all of them are easy. And that too depends on your interest. Okay, done. Done. Any other questions, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, then fine. We will meet in next week. My team will update you.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Next week means Monday, sir.
Not this Monday, mostly on next Monday.
Okay, sir.
I'm going on office work. I'll come back.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Cool then. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, sir. Happy journey, sir.
Hey, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Bye, sir. Good day, sir.
Bye.